Welcome to Review Rumble. The best low-sitting beach chairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone who loves spending a day by the ocean, lake, or even in their backyard, offering a unique perspective and a relaxed vibe that higher chairs just can't replicate, making them a fantastic choice for those who appreciate being closer to the sand and enjoying the natural surroundings in ultimate comfort and style. Number 5. Nice Sea Low Beach Chair 2-Pack, Blue. Experience unparalleled comfort with our breathable mesh fabric and padded armrests. This chair is designed for relaxation wherever you go, from the beach to the park. Constructed with industrial-grade materials, this chair is incredibly sturdy and durable. Its robust frame ensures long-lasting use for all your outdoor adventures. Take it anywhere with ease. The lightweight design and included carrying case make transport a breeze. It folds compactly for convenient storage. Worry less about stability. This chair is engineered to support up to 300 pounds, thanks to its heavy-duty frame and anti-sink leg caps. Enjoy instant relaxation. Setup takes mere seconds. Cleaning is just as simple, requiring only a quick wipe down or wash with soap and water. Stay refreshed with the built-in cup holder, perfect for keeping your drink or essentials within reach. It's the ideal companion for any outdoor outing. What we like. This chair offers exceptional comfort with its breathable mesh and padded armrests. It also features a convenient cup holder for your drinks. If you're looking for a comfortable and practical option for the beach or park, this is a great choice. What people say. The chair is tilted back, which allows for a comfortable light position. The mesh was appreciated. The mesh also makes the chair lighter to carry, but didn't feel saggy or likely to stretch over time. They're large, wide enough for real people, and the seat is deeper than many others, which supports your legs so they don't go numb. Number 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair. Introducing the ultimate seating solution for all your adventures. It's designed for comfort and convenience, wherever you go. Whether you're camping, heading to the beach, or enjoying a sporting event, this chair is your ideal companion. Its lightweight and compact design makes it incredibly easy to take anywhere. Experience superior comfort with its breathable mesh fabric and padded armrests. It's designed to keep you relaxed, even during long outdoor sessions. This chair sits comfortably off the ground, perfect for cozying up by the campfire. It folds up quickly and stores away easily, making transport a breeze. It comes with a convenient storage bag featuring shoulder straps, so you can carry it effortlessly. Weighing under 7 pounds, it's a joy to transport. Crafted with a robust steel and aluminum frame, it's built to withstand the elements and support up to 250 pounds. Enjoy reliable seating for years to come. What we like. This chair is incredibly versatile, perfect for camping, beach trips, or sporting events. It's lightweight and folds up compactly for easy transport. If you need a reliable, go-to chair for various outdoor activities, this one is a solid pick. What people say. Nice and low. They fold very easily. The storage bag is very good quality too. Thick fabric material. They don't weigh a ton and fold down much smaller than a standard adult-sized bag chair. They are comfortable to sit in. Very solid. I'm impressed with the details of the 4 footings that will not rip through the bottom of a tent. High quality, easy to use, very comfortable. Number 3. Ostrich on your back chair, Blue. Experience ultimate relaxation with our unique padded face hole. You can lie face down without any neck strain, perfect for reading or using your phone. The pillow pad enhances your comfort even further. Traverse the beach hands-free with convenient backpack carry straps. Your comfy chair transforms into a backpack in seconds, making it the ideal companion for any beach adventure. Enjoy a hassle-free tanning or reading session with strategically placed armholes. This enables a relaxed face-down position while reducing glare on your page or screen. You can even sip your favorite beverage conveniently. Delight in extra room and comfort with its unique taller and wider design. This makes it not only more comfortable but also easier to get in and out of. Discover a well-made and durable beach companion that is good for the price. It's praised for its sturdiness and includes additional compartments for your belongings. Get value for your money. What we like. Experience unparalleled relaxation with its innovative face-down comfort hole and convenient armholes. The backpack straps make carrying it a breeze. If you love to read or use your phone while lounging, this chair is designed for your ultimate comfort. What people say. The chair is low to the ground, making it perfect for sitting at the beach. It's lightweight and easy to carry, even with other beach gear. The sturdy construction ensures it can hold a good amount of weight without wobbling. Number 2. iClimb Low Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Chair. Introducing our ultra-lightweight folding chair, designed for your adventures. Its low-profile design enhances stability and reduces weight, making it easy to carry anywhere. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and ripstop Oxford, this chair is incredibly durable yet weighs only 1.9 pounds. The breathable mesh back ensures comfort even on warm days. When packed, it's incredibly compact, fitting easily into its included carry bag. Setting it up is a breeze, so you can relax in no time. It features a handy side pocket for your essentials and anti-slip legs for added stability. Remember to always use the securing strap for easier folding and enhanced safety. Perfect for backpacking, camping, hiking, and any outdoor activity where light travel is key. Enjoy your picnic, barbecue, or road trip with ultimate comfort. This chair supports up to 264 pounds and is reinforced for reliability. We stand behind its quality with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. What we like. This chair is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 1.9 pounds, and folds down very small. It's made with durable aerospace-grade aluminum. If you're a backpacker or traveler who prioritizes minimal weight and packability without sacrificing sturdiness, this is the chair for you. What people say. It packs very small, is very light, and though low to the ground is remarkably comfortable. The design is smart. While ultimately folding out large enough to easily accommodate my not insignificant backside, it has a set of shock cord-loaded poles that are brought together to take the small fully packed folding set of posts and combine them into a very workable chair frame, which you then just further slip the included seat around the open post ends to complete construction and begin use. It even comes with a working cup holder designed in a way to ultimately weigh basically nothing, yet actually be functional at the campsite. Again, good design. Number 1. iClimb Ultralight Camping Chair. Experience superior stability with its square frame design. The ergonomic back support ensures you stay comfortable, even during extended periods of relaxation. Never worry about sinking into soft ground again. Its large, detachable feet provide excellent stability on sand and other uneven surfaces, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and ripstop Oxford, this chair is incredibly lightweight at just 2.2 pounds. Despite its lightness, it boasts a robust 330 pounds weight capacity and reinforced construction for lasting use. Designed for life on the go, it folds down compactly into an included storage bag. Its portability makes it your ideal companion for camping, beach trips, festivals, and more. Enjoy a cool and comfortable experience with its breathable mesh back. Keep your essentials close with the convenient cup holder and side pocket, and set it up in seconds. With reinforced corners and corrosion-resistant materials, this chair is built for durability. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Designed with large anti-sinking feet, this chair is perfect for soft surfaces like sand. Its square frame offers enhanced stability, and the back support webbing ensures comfort. If you frequent the beach or other soft terrains and need a stable, comfortable seat, this is an excellent option. What people say. The seat mesh and wide feet are put on after. I found it's easiest to put on the bottom 2 points of the seat mesh on first, then use the loops at the top 2 points to pull it onto the top sticks. It's definitely very comfortable to sit in, and I can put my small backpack on its back when it's set up instead of leaving my bag on the ground. It sits high so you can easily get up out of it and don't have to struggle from a low position. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.